And if you're interested in the Done For You hair business, click the link in the description or check the pinned comments. Pretty much the inventory will come synced with a vendor. The Shopify store is fully designed. You do have options for like a 30-day hair content plan or even a sample. And then you will have 24/7 chat support. So check out the description below. All right, guys, so I am making a pre-built hair store. This is our newest theme, like a luxury hair store theme. I am uploading the zip file straight from my own desktop. I did create this website myself, and I made everything on Canva pretty much. So I'm gonna go ahead and start uploading everything, like the logo and the pictures as well. So this is a way you can start your hair business, like a low-cost method way, by using our pre-built hair stores. So pretty much you don't have to like spend thousands. This is just like a smarter way I didn't create it for girls to start their own hair business, affordable. And plus, when you usually start like a hair business, you have to design a website, and a lot of times people are not good at designing websites. So I did like a 2-in-1 combo. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to worry about holding the inventory. The vendor will ship the item out to your customer once you get a sale. And then your website is already done because I made the website for you with the vendor synced. So like I said, this is our newest theme. It is listed as one of the pre-built hair stores that we do have available. Let me know any questions y'all do have down below. I do have like a frequently asked questions page as well. If you click the link down below, most of the questions that you may have more than likely are answered. But let me know any comments you guys have, questions, drop it down below. And this is pretty much how the store will look once we sync the actual vendor. So I do hope this video was helpful, and you can start your hair business at a like low cost method. You don't have to spend thousands on something that you don't even know will sell. So this is just a great, easy, affordable way to start. So link in the description for more information. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.